Hi everyone! I am Chef Chona Garcia-Laureta at nandito na naman ako sa the Bailiwick Academy to present to you another Pinoy class na tsak namang magugustuhan ninyong lahat. So here with me, we have finished 6 different kinds of tarts. So these are based on the classic Pinoy tarts, kaya lang in-upgrade natin at talagang pinasarap natin siya at pinaspecial natin. So to start off, meron tayong ube and we call it the velvety ube cream cheese. We have our deep caramel cashew tarts, we have our langka tarts, we have our special mango tarts, and our creamy and nutty yema tarts, and of course, ang aking isa sa favorite also ay ang pineapple cinnamon tarts. So akala ninyo iisang dough lang ito? No, nagkakamali kayo kasi talagang pinrepare ko ito to have 3 versatile kinds of doughs na pagpipilian ninyo. Alam ko malalove nyo siya silang tatlo, but try all the 3 recipes of our dough to have these perfect output. So not only these recipes you will learn from this class, but also a quick lesson on food costing, and of course para ma-inspire kayong lahat, kasama na po dito ang mga packagings na nakikita ninyo dito. And what's more valuable and important are the tips and tricks that's inside the class. So ano pang iniantay ninyo? So enroll na kayo sa ating special Pinoy Tarts class. See you!